Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking one strong product and setting up the affiliate account now. Once done, install tracking tools and grab clean images and one short video. This saves hours later. Make sure the product has good reviews and stable shipping times so conversions aren't wasted. Then create a concise benefit list and note pricing and delivery windows to answer buyer questions quickly. Start building a simple landing page or social post draft while your account Now you craft the content that actually converts. First, write a sharp hook and 3 benefit-driven lines. These become your caption and headline. Then create a short demo video showing the product solving a problem. Show it working, not just angles. Once that's done, make platform-specific versions. One for Reels, one for TikTok, one for a short blog snippet. Make sure to attach your UTM-tagged affiliate link so you can measure which post brings real sales. Finally, you publish across 3 channels and monitor performance closely. Once live, promote the best-performing clip with a small ad spend to validate demand quickly, then scale what works. Make sure comments and DMs are monitored for quick replies. Fast responses increase trust and conversion. If conversions drop, check tracking links, cookie consent, and supplier stock. One troubleshooting tip: if clicks don't register, regenerate the affiliate link and replace it everywhere immediately to restore tracking and commissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.